Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You have the book and players. Now start. First, agree the rule. Last digit 0 or 7-9 equals out. Digits 1-6 score runs as shown. Choose batting order, decide how many turns or pages per innings, and perform a quick toss to pick who bats. Once chosen, the batter opens a randomly selected page, looks only at the last digit, and announces the runs. You immediately add that number to the team total and hand the book to the next batter when a wicket or turn is complete. Once play begins, you need a consistent routine. Open the book randomly, read just the last digit, and record it immediately. Digits 1-6 add runs, digits 0 or 7-9 count as outs. Make sure someone keeps a clear scoreboard with runs, wickets, and remaining turns. 6 turns can represent an over if you want structure. For strategy, randomize page selection to avoid memory bias. Rotating who chooses the page keeps fairness. Continue until the agreed turns or all wickets are down, and always announce subtotals between overs so everyone stays aligned. To finish, complete the agreed number of turns or play until all wickets fall. Then total the scores carefully, and if chasing, the second team plays to surpass that total within their turns. If scores tie, settle with sudden death. 1 page each, highest last digit wins, repeat as needed. If a dispute arises about which page was opened, stop, appoint a neutral observer, redraw the page transparently, and log both outcomes. This prevents repeated disagreements. Finally, congratulate players and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.